If you've ever opened your browser and seen Yahoo instead of Google, and you want to change your homepage or search experience back to Google Chrome, this video is for you. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if your browser settings were changed, or if you just want Google to be your default search engine again. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can control how your browser behaves, what search engine it uses, and what shows up when you open a new tab or homepage. Now on the settings page, look for the search engine section. Click on Search Engine to open the options related to your default search provider. If Yahoo is currently selected, that means searches from your address bar may be going through Yahoo instead of Google. To change that, click the Change button next to the current search engine setting. A list of available search engines will appear. From that list, select Google. Once Google is selected, click Set as Default. This tells Chrome to use Google for searches from the address bar and helps switch your browser experience away from Yahoo. If you also want to make sure your homepage and new tab experience are set correctly, you can review the startup and appearance settings in Chrome as well. Sometimes browser changes affect more than one setting, so it's a good idea to double check everything if Yahoo keeps appearing. After that, close settings and test it by typing something into the Chrome address bar. If everything was set correctly, your search should now use Google instead of Yahoo. And that's it. You've successfully changed your homepage or default search from Yahoo to Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.